Hey, man, I really went from most underrated to the fucking greatest. Had to put in work instead of sitting down and fucking waiting. Knew my time would come like I was fucking it, like it's my baby. Niggas really pussy and their music is the anus. Yo, tabisita ngoku cause I got a couple business. Why you funa back ngoku kodwa ngoku yobungandifili. Awusathola ifoni bengiflight ngikhombise ePE. But ngiyamposa ngisehotela negenge nebitches. Imeda iyelebi phaka crowd ifuna ungandi pitches. Cela khutshwe apha sizo ezathina ezilethe groupies. Ndiyi-public figure, had to do it ngoku kusecure witness. Cela sonwabene ngoku and umradlwa izelizwe.
Bitch, I'm busting out.
Yeah, I feel like my time coming, man. I've been manifesting it. Tulo is really my destiny. Umani mali here and there, but it don't bother me. I gotta double my salary. Samelen kupi ole te gas. Inga ili blast, and the family be proud of me. I want the fumana a chance, but bendi like Ngokun buyile with energy. Ngokun buyile to bet on my enemies. Pussy niggas acting like they fuck with me. Yeah, when I'm timing it, tunga di vale gil. 2020 toss up and this pepe gil. 2024 I'm back. Where you niggas at? With a soul pete recipe. Maybe I should cut the slack, drop it back to back. With a soul, maybe you gotta just switch it up. Cool bag and drop. I'm cool on the valor, I'm low, man, but yeah, but act it tough. Maybe nigga on beast mode with my foot on your neck, man, give it up. On I'm in Spanish, cheat codes. All your industry shit, I don't give a fuck. I go drop hit, go get your JB like.